we electoral commission or so pam shaloto say no sa register no efini nkekanwa bia ni ho enti omo ntiase ese ebesesa no Kofi Asante onyankopon no kura nim ni se ka wo me voice na wo bo wa ha me no nya ho argument ma me ka say the NDC for kan me no omo nya adwene
yes
the MP electoral commission kan so me ne nya adwene
yes
the common ground so ebetimi dia ya adwuma me na boa ne say Ghana card na ye no ye be ya wie
na ye de no
akọ register e wo electoral commission Kofi Asante o kai sa se moyi
as papa no de ke kan
ma me na anya ntum beginning no wakwa ba afedo de akọ parliament say je no de ke kan no ye de Ghana card no say ye de be ba me ma so ye ama ma register Ghana for eno na di adanse say we na ye Ghana ni a o say me gini tum Kofi Mestre Ghana mpeni for Peace Council for kasa we kasa emire bi do amum yenyusu common sense yenyusu common sense no man trance dan say ye de your personal interest any party ye wo mu any your friends saying what do we call it your emotions ebe kasa emwa abrofo 90% of them common sense abi before do you so near the emotions how we feel abi I was sad dreaming. I made the man on dreaming. Now that can tell you say, "Oh man, no, a year in idea. Sanya ya, a dear the Bessie. For party at some tour near me Ghana. Dear the kind, my America so on play. I feel a parliament so be play. Now be play no. Umura fi say, Papa, your friend Professor Atifa.
Yeah.
Your man is car $282 million 3 years ago. Soundfa Emma Ghana for well over 17 million enya card ni bi card na benefits no Kofi e doso papa apart from say they kwa register with electoral commission no eno na masebio ye won say machine so kwa na watwa hwe a e be yaba say nipa a watwa hwe ye Kofi Asante na ni fie e wo de chem so o kwa driving license enya ma bebrebe card ni hia papa ya this kind of man can Japan babonte be ka say scan do so dodo no no kwa na man ko betimi de $100 million a wi aduma no abaya ntiase enu this kind man Kenneth Atifa wa ya aduma toto nkete atotwa ne na asia ama efie miensanie ya no ka say card no onwie nipa o manya bie ekuta mu ya be 7 million backlog was here well over 10 million. Metia Kofi, me be sa kosi se fidie so ye bibia awie enso me card mai.
Old card mai.
Me card mai.
Na na o press ye fa Ghana card ntro.
Asem de me gidi se once ye de nsa si so de ko se me saka.
Okay.
Card mai. Afofo bebre ti se me a o mu san kan mo card. Se je ma papa kwan biem. No san e ko na chi eko yema obi a wonya bia eso saka ne de ansa na de yisi dia betu dwa no ya nyakwan de aye na se papa ye ma no busumi mienu kra se yisi region kwa do nyanya ye afedi atete aka mu
some other part of the regions ni
so nyanya ye na hwe Ashanti region akro so saba na kana me kwa me pesa ka lockdown mu ya tifie eko office a wa wo ko voluntary ara ka wo ko na kwa ya ma ni nyina papa ya ye silent ena sikara de man so oye ne den so oye ne den ade a wo so any simultaneous emo bia nsa kan de no obubu no tot na o ma na twebek ne nyina ehwe no na wabo obi pa o ma lebra niska wo de obi akọ wafom so no ma na nipa na akọ akodo no ebodo mienu a wo se pole ba ko no do na bo du ba ko o twa se ka mienu ogina fa ko wa bo ne pa no wo behwe no na kufo ado jiso ma nchiremu wa ha eti mehwe papa yi emra wo hia de awie na dwuma amani pa wo so munya card no na yen disenfranchise obia e wo Ghana ha say limited registration kwa kan hia say papa na dwuma awie a enkwada anya 16 years 18 years nyina no wo mbenya card no de akọ electoral commission na 16 years for yakach mo say enya num so na 18 na above no wo mo register wo mo de ebesi na yen san kan card ye no ye assemble akọ e ha adwene maame no electoral commission o ma ne honya akono ye mpese electoral commission ye no ko match ye bedi ka discredit to ansa na yakopa akeso Kofi maame no o ka some inconsistencies bebrebe wom
wonya maame reasons ni nwie yo as to why you are supporting Senke.
Number one, any Kenate Fadi.
Yes, I know that you were building, but we are out the man.
Kenate Fadi.
And Kenate Fadi and Intina, which is a young China.
You talk to me. Yari by Ama Electoral Commission. So I got 6 months pay and I want him.
Yeah.
And yede akwa kotoaba 6 months ya wona nim no maame no second atefa yusu 2 months e de cover the aka no a na e de ekowura June July mu se ne kura na e se kenatefa ma ne kwan a e de ekowura June July mu isi be nya 40 days ama ye de akwa registration e ye voters register 40 days no so ne de akowura August September mu
yeah
and some about be review you can say voters register exhibition you know so 3 weeks now so the akwa somewhere October
September October
Kofi political parties akwa be the first of campaign
okay
say yare abey say Nana Akufo-Addo ba 31st kwa no ka say safety protocols no be ye for tuogum obi anko emone bra. How do we campaign? One in Ghana said this year campaign. Yeah, basing part from one end to the other. Yeah, tumultuous rallies. Ebi was stadium, ebi waha, ya group, ya gada, ya crowd. How are we going to do this? Na Ariana aba says a kwana kone ni mwabuase aye ghost town. Enkobe bre na nurses bi anyanya bi awafie nkwanta hospital. Ayam hihye
Obuase nye ghost town. Normal to say
oh, they have been on with TV so many mu na America.
Okay.
Na kronuma yedi.
Oh, okay.
Kofi so ohwa delay abias ya yinum na electoral commission wonya siege na papa bia no a misusu say ye hiamre fi say ye nimra emre woman ye enye normal times jenya gitum say enye normal times there ye ntimi enforce normalities say chinchina dey we dey say any normal there be
okay
the moment we have agreed as a people say enye emre woman ye normal no abnormalities na enema abeka ye ho no o say agitum ebi ne say restrict obi movement enka movement restriction it is against fundamental human rights free movement of people but enam say nye normal anti agiatum ama ya restrict am for ye nyina movement ye nyina ye cooperative sabe ya atorenche mi abeto hoyi ye be free mu electoral commission onya abotre Oma can have taken a new Majuma. Or say passport. My minister passport is also part of it. Passport, Ghana for Rose and our passport.
We interrogate those things. And the not just a transfer. The president will continue to be in power.
And the Supreme Court thing.
Okay.
Because or maybe I will need plan B no on your mind. And nipa be I will need plan B no on your nipa. We say me plan where say if the plan doesn't work out. What is the next way? What is the next action? What can I do in advance? In an unlikely event, the plan A doesn't work for me.
But a Ghana is to buy entrenched.
Obia kan oboa. Ofia santimeka si sudua ne se obia kan oboa. Provision our constitution say BBC ni anto aba na I say it is in the constitution. It will be a cowboy, and we shouldn't forget again here. Say, constitution is not cast in concrete and stones. Constitution is a living document. I will grow by time.
The constitution is clear. Say on 7th of January, the Shah be the president, a new president sworn in
for
the Republic. Shah
yes.
A mandatory.
A mandatory.
None against Shah.
Constitution make provision say. Say yantimi anto aba on the 7th. The moment I make this provision no sha na wo January no so nullify. That's it.
No, we are flag bearer of the party. But you okay?
Me okay because Sagana Ghana na so. Na ye nyina wa ahoden na ye free oha we mu. Ni ye call election election is say no. Emre bebe mama players aye ko nyina ya te ho ase. Na yatimi akwa election no pepe yem na election results na beba no obi agya tum na Ghana ni ba bia ho anka na ye nyina ye te wasomdwe mu a Kofi mani ba gya asen se me makwasa de me nko me interest se chinchina ye nto aba na ye mi hunu ba bia me no
Enra Reverend Solomon Bruce our Old Tafo Subtenant Minister for the Methodist Church Ghana on a Nasem clinic efie ha ya I listened to him ahomache also preaching the same things and Kebeya yes he ono ye sofo and onye politician or say Beya and Ghana my and Tuaba the 7th December 2020 now but I mean you know say it's not possible. It is not possible. It is just not possible.
Ethiopia for Ethiopia for number 12 August we must suspend. Kofi everything is not normal. Say kwame no ka say ya to aba awo abroche for the discovery donor partners ya maya ye ne ya ho a ya kwa yantimi ni sika de kwa election ya de to akeka sika de kwa election kwa je so bi na de brain e de ya ho nya ni wu ya ho ya ni wu dada eti so bi be ka tro say ne ya kwato aba de president oba be ye de oba de no oba be ye won kire de oba be ye Ghana ne president na oba no e de ayi ne hia say Ghana be fa ne mudie na Ghana agina ho na obi ahwe akire ama ye nyina ya kwa election asundwem no e ye better than say electoral commission be rush into the elections ne be wie na obi anya ntum yare yi haye na ye say dwane Kofi Asante wa dwane ya no say yare we haye na owe na ba ye nyina ye dwane obi afa na brecha abon ko ho wo dwane. Why imagine sir obi afa ne kete won Rwanda tama no mu dwane no ya hwe masa you know imagination imra wadwenem ya ma politicians I'm a politician but ya ma ya parochial interest override the supreme interest of the nation.
I think say asem way NDC foot here in fact inya okutanke be wo twede fa
Kofi me I speak
because they are the major political party, the main opposition party in the country.
NDC
and I think asem way would never ever be in their interest.
Kofi
Because they think say it is time almost so I mean get a power sabe biem
say Kofi I'm not speaking for or against NDC.
I know.
I'm not speaking for or against MPP. I am speaking.
But that's our suggestion. It's more or less in the best interest of the NPP.
No, the ruling government. It is the interest of Ghana. This is the interest of Ghana. And your interest.
And you know, Rebecca said, no, the young father normal old voter register now that is something.
Kofi, it is not about new voters register or creating new register. Ekwanya ya ni ya kwa elections ayeye. Ya ni ya no obi afa na ni enko na chi. No hwe se kwabrane kwatim kwatamba lobos.
No dwane.
Sabre so yes enye social distance.
Na campaign ni
ya kanya ye ebitimi ka gubi mu. Na adane ntokwa enchiwa hyew.
But the president said we try to live with the disease. The word epidemiologist near the adebeka to say yare no. Sisi ayensu ase bitimi na atna.
Anya yare no ko apese na me de kasa. Me say electoral commission ne mra na wode na adwuma na deplete. Enyema a oso ye no. And emra kwa against yen. Emra ko na ye mane me buga election na results no ankoye papa na akofo wo na aba eti we need an extension of time. The American extension of time say yama mre bi meka ho na ene say yare aba kura na se betimi akoto aba no somewhere match kura yem prepare bibia ye bema yanya mre kanate fire na dwuma wie registration was ekokoso nyina akokoso obi adwuma ye ne fine ye kona se odike wunya 1 madanya me ase na me kofi mare me kofi a na me ko ye say na kufu adon to aso a no ato na adwuma so aso wiem Sense Ghana for say Yamane Manu di Kemra na mabefu makodwa na me na somdwem
46 minutes past 8. That is the flag bearer, founder, leader Edema UPP Kwasiado Dike, a businessman. Na dwenya na say Ghana de no. Wow, interesting. Yemfa beya the 2020 election no. Yen suspend. Na ke ento WDK.
Me pesa ye suspend ya. Then the EC will have ample time. Can I tell Fabi na adwuma? Now I know the timetable about say. Baby I can tell February 17 million people now ya who come to Ghana card. It's a free nebitimisha meduma ase. Now from this time to say a bedru sabri no na me hye nyina come to a full closure. Mawie meduma wa bra no bi na push me.
Ma men komra na ya is a tip for and we'll have a lot of dissenting views if you are able to analyze the government handling of COVID-19 said the name is what can we do better?
Covid Mr. Ansana me ebe kono. Nan kofobi kika say manya video bi a cover our other social platforms so say you mama ka say electoral commission were independent ebra no wo abam no if you may recall and amanfo bi dey pon chi say o kan sa asem no say we independent and so we mu attack isi say we independent. Now there's a consistency war NDC 4 part inconsistency sorry NDC 4 part Kofi says here as no ka say the ruling government so akotare electoral commission
okay
na dia ba ko pe na ya mi ya pa mami jemensa wo ya manema akotia no ye di kan ya ba ko referendum no Kofi asante me no tenafia me ka cho say enhihye ya aba ne dia ba say ento yes no mene no koya adwene yi am aka chome so wo be 2 years if you may recall Kofi electoral commission jina so kete said the workers are searching obey referendum the man kwan man ko giska e parliament approve ye e ma print ballot papers order of push e ma yawura mahama the Facebook wall oko vote yes so be an 2 years ansa na me ba bonte kwa be start say me hwe ehihye na no de be bo Ghana electoral commission so we independent wa ko giska we election why order of push ma me no make sure the enti o sa na chi
president na kan
aduru ho se sanate dia na president macro manage no because they are independent of the electoral commission cannot be compromised.
The president submitted the bill.
Allow me.
President and the local government ministry and started the process. And to me, I made the accord said you organize the UPP for organize the election. Now at the end of the day, we say the election now must. The EC will only have to draw back.
No, the moment Emranima EC Kwamani Jiska no starting. Onya Jiska na independent na start because ensuation ba
orika we senka this time ka say we ka the Supreme Court
na butrama me ude ye din na tie me e tie for na me educate you mu na obi kwa anko
but this education is subjective obi betimi with different understanding and interpretation from the okay because purely constitutional and of course
holy book of the best book we are say Bible and Quran for
we get mama na me omra sisi na yen hwe a few other issues or